Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. I was looking through some old files and I found this old video from way back, 2002. This is before YouTube, and it's really a great video to show how to install downspout drains. Let's take a look. This is a great project for the do-it-yourselfer. The downspout drain, it's the most important drain in the rainwater drainage system. The downspouts move that roof water away from the house. Without the downspout drain, that water ends up down in your crawl space. This home has that double downspout connection, and we also waterproof the crawl space, so we've got an exit for that drain as well. If you are using PVC like here, very important to have a very straight trench. PVC is not so forgiving as corrugated. It is a very rigid material, and that trench must be dug very straight. When trenching, lay out some plastic, set your dirt on one side and your sod on the other. That way you can put it all back together when you're done. A lot of people ask, how deep do you dig? Well, basically we start about a shovel deep and maintain that grade to where it's going to discharge. And you can see on this house the line runs downhill dramatically. So we basically are about shovel deep, so about 14 inches deep all the way through. Now we're backfilling this, and again, cover that trench completely, and then take away your excess. It's much easier to push all the dirt on top of the trench and take it away than it is to try to shovel it off the grass or your tarp. Once your trench is backfilled, go ahead and remove that excess soil. If you have a place in your yard, great, go ahead and spread it out. If not, you need to haul it away. And here we're going to put it in a trailer. The problem here was the crawl space. And even though we waterproofed the crawl space, we really need to make sure that we get that roof water out into the street where it belongs. But this is a great job for the do-it-yourselfer. I did this all by myself. It took me about 2 hours, and you guys could do the same thing. I promise you that it will solve major problems sending that roof water out to the street. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.